Your footsteps down the hall, like a ghost that never leaves at all. Every whisper, every trace still lingers here in this empty space. The echoes call me, they pull me in. Like a dream I wake and fall back in. No matter how far, no matter how true, I'm lost in the shadows of a love we knew. Shadows of a love we knew, fading but still shining through. Like a song that won't erase, I still feel you in this place. No matter where, no matter who, I'm chasing shadows of a love we knew. I reached for you, but you're not there. Just a